All right, now we're going to design part 21 in AutoCAD. This is a really simple part, but again, key on the measurements. It's 1.5 inches in full scale, one scale, 1.5 inches, which would be 0.75. It's 2.5 in height, which is the same as all the parts. Half of that's 1.25. Also, instead of 5 inches, this is a 4-inch part. So now we're going to go ahead and go over to AutoCAD. And we're going to open up our master border sheet. Immediately going to save this as, I'll come down here and click on Ortho Part 20, and I'll change that 20 to a 21. Okay, now let's kind of center this up a little bit here and make sure we're set to the sheet layer, which we are. We're going to roll up on this, double click on that, and we're going to key in 21, and let's roll out just a little bit. Okay, that looks pretty good. Maybe hit a little delete there. I like that. Excellent. Okay, double click the middle here. Double click your middle mouse button and or your rolling wheel, double click it and it'll zoom out to the extents. If not, just use your middle mouse button to move like that. Okay, so let's go ahead and go to layer 3, ortho. Let's get our line command and start drawing in our guidelines. Okay, using the line command, move over to escape out of that, hit our space bar. We'll come back and draw from this side over as well. Okay, space bar, and we'll go ahead and go up to here, and I'll just hit that line command again. Just got a text message, sorry about that. Put that in there. We'll go ahead and hit space bar again, get back in our command, come over here. And just like on all the ones before, we'll go ahead and do our offset. And we'll go ahead and click on that, and we'll specify 2 inches for the offset because half of 4 is 2. All right, got that. Escape space bar. This time I'm going to go 0.75, and we'll come up here to this, go up. We'll come over here to this, go to the right, and we'll hit our space bar again. Escape space bar 1.25, and that'll get us our height. Okay. Then I key in TR, escape TR. And that'll automatically opens up the trim command, and I'll go hit this, just go straight down like that, straight down like this, straight across like that, come across here, not to hit the border sheet, come up, come down, like that. Okay, we got it. Hit save again. All right, save. Okay, let's go ahead and set ourselves to, well, we're not going to set ourselves to that. We're going to go back and look at the drawing, and let's make sure. So that'd be 0.75 if I divide that by 2. So I'm going to come over here to AutoCAD, do an offset, and I'm going to key in 0.75. I'll go ahead and hit this guy right there. Go in, enter, and come over here and grab, whoops, let's try that again. Okay, 0.75, enter, come in, go over here to this one, come in, hit escape. Click on this one, go up and turn it to hidden line. Come over here, click on this one, go up there and turn it to hidden line. Okay, now that we've got those selected, let's double check that we are, let me click off here. Yeah, they made it just fine. Okay, so now what we want to do is we want to go back to the drawing. Take a look at this. We need to come off 0.75, which we did. We need to come up 0.375 here. So let's go make that happen. So I'm going to come over here to the offset command, and I'm going to key in 0.375. And I'm going to select, hit enter, and I'll grab this guy right here and come down. Grab him and come up. That looks pretty good. Okay, so now what I want to do is come back and get my extension line. Create an extension line off that one right there. Just go down here to about right there to there. Okay, so let's double check that line just to be on the safe side here. Yeah, we're on it. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to come over here from this one over to here to there. Okay, do another line from here over to there. Okay, it looks good. So let's go ahead and trim that out. Trim this out. Trim this out. Let's roll up on this. We'll trim this out here and trim this out there. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to come over here and go all the way to this line here. I'm going to come back this way 0.75. Okay, I'll come down to, I'll just snap on that and it'll give me that distance I need to go from there over to here. Hit escape, TR, trim, and we'll take this out. Okay, looks like we got our part designed here, and we'll come back to this in a moment. Okay, now let's go ahead and save our file. And let's come down here to Ortho ISO, set ourselves active to that level. We're going to come over here to this, and we're going to come down 2 inches. We'll come up, let's double check that measurement. We'll come up 0.375. We'll go back this direction 0.75. Okay, and we're going to come up to, let's see what that distance is, 0.5. Let's make sure that we tab over to, okay, let's go ahead and stop for a moment. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is we've got this back. We're going to come down that one slope, 0.75. Then we're going to come this way, 0.75 as well. Okay, now I'm going to come up 0.25. And then I'll come this direction, back this direction, 0.75. And then I'll go hit enter. Then I'll come back this direction 2 inches. And come back that way, 0.75. Enter. Come down here and snap to that corner. Now I'm going to hit escape real quick and roll up on this. And I'm going to go ahead and, I got to fix this. I did something wrong. No biggie. We can fix it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and delete these 2 lines. I did this wrong. Okay. Get rid of that. And get rid of him and him. Okay, so I should have come up, if I go back and look at the original drawing, I should have come up 0.375, which I didn't. So we're going to do that right now. So we're going to come up here, 0.375, hit enter. I'm going to go back this way, 0.75. Okay, that's looking a little bit better. Come down here, 0.375, and go back over here and just snap to that one there. That's good. So now I'm going to go back the other way, going back this way, which was 2 inches. Okay, come back out this way, 0.75. Okay, come down this way and intersect there, hit escape. Now I'll come back over here to here, go this way, 0.75. Come down 0.375, and then come back over here. Now, one of the mistakes a lot of my students make is they fail to put this line right here in. So we're going to fix that real quick right now. So we just find that projection line, come up here, hit escape, go ahead, hit our space bar again, and go back this direction, which is good. Okay, hit enter, and then now we'll come back over here and go down 0.375, come this way 0.75. Okay, whoops, that was 75. 75, not 0.75. Okay, let's do that again. 0.75, there we go. Come down here, let me go back and check that dimension again. Oh, I gotta go down 0.5, okay. Come back this way, okay, snap, come down here and snap, hit escape, spacebar again, And we should be able to come over and intersect right there. Yeah, I think that looks like our part. Looks good. Okay, so now let's go ahead and save our file. Go back up to the ortho layer. Once it's finished saving, there we go. Ortho layer. And we're going to go ahead and turn off the ISO. And we'll go ahead and trim out this line, our guideline there. Okay, let's go back and turn that on. There she is. Okay, so this looks pretty good. Now let's go ahead and save our file one more time. I know I save a lot, but I hate restarting drawings because I did something wrong. Okay, so now we got to get our dimensions in. We'll start with this side right here, the front view. So we'll go ahead and get make sure we're set to the dimension layer. Come back over here and we'll put this in from here over to there, come down 0.5, and we're gonna hit escape, double click on this, hit delete, and just key in 4.1234, double quote, got that in, okay. Double check over this, 2.5, we'll come right here on this, go up to 2.5, and we'll go ahead and hit escape again, and we'll hit escape. We'll double key in this. Hang on a second, I get that excited. Okay, got that. 2.5, 1, 2, 3. Double quote. Okay, hit escape. Then we'll come over here to this. Come out there, and that should be 1 inch. Yes, it is. So we double click on this. We'll key in delete 1.1234. Single quote. Got that in. Let's go back and we'll get these dimensions up here. Okay, hit this. Come up here. Come over. Not that far. I'm going to grab this here and just kind of drag it down here. And I'll go ahead and make that 1.5. Delete 1.5, 1, 2, 3. Double quote. Got that in. Looks pretty good. Let's go back up here and get that 1.5. Right here. Snap. Snap. Come up here. Double click. Hit the delete key. 1.5, 1, 2, 3. Single quote. Double quote, I mean. So we'll hit that dimension again. Whoops, in the layer panel, don't want that. Go to, not text, but go to dimension, and we'll get this one right here. Come over, come down, hit escape, double click, delete. It's going to be 1.5000. Double quote, click on that. Let's go back and check that dimension again. 1.5, 1.5. Okay, that's all good. So now we're going to come over here and we're going to dimension this right here. I'm just going to come from here up to there, over, double click, and I will get that's attention. It's going to be 0.75, 1, 2, shift, double quote, enter, whoops, click up here. Now, now we'll come up here to this, come up here, come over, and I'm going to take and move this up here so it's kind of out of the way. We'll double click on that, hit delete, 0.7500, double quote. Okay, roll out here, take a look at it. Looks pretty good. I think we got everything we need. Let's save our file. Okay, let's go to hit escape, go to layout 2. Let's go ahead and get rid of this. Looks pretty identical, except we have double quotes on ours, which we should have had on the last one. I like it. Okay, so let's go through the process again. Right mouse click, plot. Again, previous plot. Hit OK. Just going to write that file out. So we scroll down here to 20, select 20, and then change 20 to 21. Hit enter. Good. And like as before, we'll go to our directory and we'll look for our documents. Scroll down here, find 21, right mouse click, and open it in Chrome. We'll rotate that, and that looks great. Okay, so we'll come back over here to this. We're going to drag that over to the thumb drive we put in here, so it lands on that and it's on the thumb drive. And then what we're going to do is going to eject the thumb drive, go over to the computer that's by the laser engraver and laser printer, put the thumb drive in, open it up in Chrome, and print out the drawing on the laser printer. And then we'll eject that using a right mouse click, or you can come down here and you'll see USB and click on it there and eject and give the thumb drive back to Mr. Platt. Take your printed drawing, put it in a sheet protector, and put it in your binder and present it to Mr. Platt for a grade. I think that's it for now.